We just removed this dressing tonight. It was put on yesterday, wasn't it? Yep. Looks a bit yucky. There was stuff up the back. And now Pauline is cleaning that up. And we're going to put on some...
Pulled down carrot.
Where is it? Look at... Oh. Let me see the label, please. We're going to put some of this on it.
Watered down.
Watered down and washing, because it's been 40 degrees basically for the last 3 days, so no wonder his leg's been sweating and everything. But the swelling's gone right down out of his leg now, and like you said, that's already granulated around the side, around here.
That's good, really good.
So we're just going to leave the air at it now. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to put a special brew on. You'll get to see in just a second. And it's not Pauline's hand that just got sunburnt.
Lime.
Lime. We're going down here between him and the... And what that does is what?
Stops the infection that's there, it'll lead it away.
And it'll dry it
out.
Help dry it out and keep flies off, believe it or not.
Don't stand on top of me, Smudge.
Just gives it a bit of protection, it dries it up. Because it's so moist from sweating. And if there's any dead tissue like that's a bit dead, that'll help it drop off.
So, next episode.
Done.
After the first lot of lime. Good boy, Smudge. I'm coming out. Yeah.
And I've chucked a lot on. You normally just...
Probably the only food he's had for the day, is it? Because you normally don't feed him, do you?
No, skin and bone.
Skin and bone once a week, they only feed him.
No, look at the ribs showing.
Right, Mr. Smarjo. Had 24 hours with... Yuck. 24 hours with lime, and now look at it. Let's see how it cleans up, eh? Right here.
Up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's all right. That'll drop off.
Yeah. That looks a lot better across his bulbs of his heels. Although there's still a couple of stitches there, I can see.
They're all right. They'll just drop off. Yeah. They're dissolvable.
So you're right there now?
Yeah, I'll just wash it now.
And giving washes. So it's actually nowhere near as bad as it looked to start off with.
No, not at all, Richard.
I thought it'd gone a lot deeper than that, and I don't think, hopefully it hasn't destroyed the coronary band down there. I don't think it has. I think it might have missed it.
No, the vets checked all that.
Did they?
Yep. I checked everything on his hoof and everything trumps. Okay. Because that's the first thing they done before they done anything.
So have you been putting that Stinazad on through the day, have you?
The what?
That Extinazad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why he ran away from you.
Yeah. You mightn't have had enough licorice.
That's really good.
Have you seen the comments from all our lovely YouTube subscribers?
No, darling.
Everyone wishing him well and saying what a marvellous patient he is.
Oh, he's a bloody good boy. Don't just split up.
So we got
Can you get me those scissors, please?
5,500
Pass me those
people
scissors.
watching him.
Oh, okay. Good boy. That's a good job. No doubt about you, I tell you. You're the man. You're the
Good man.
Well, Bubba.
And that's what, about 30% kerosene and 70% water.
Yep. Good boy.
And it doesn't sting them.
Good job.
Just stops any infection.
Good job.
That's cleaned up nice. Cleaned up really nicely.
Good job. Well, Bubba.
Good boy.
Stand. A bloody champion you are. You ask us who to you betcha. Yeah? You're a bloody champion.
Every time you say that word, I'm going to have to bleep it off the video. And that word you're thinking,
Good boy.
Just a little bit more on that, this side here.
Whereabouts?
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, that's where I've just rubbed it. It's all right.
Yeah. That's good, eh? That done?
Done.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done, Dutch. We go back and dive back in here. Dive back in here. And what have we got here?
Oh, no,
That's good.
What's your face in that tray there, Bub?
Stop the flies.
Good job.
He's waiting for it.
Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
You say no flies on me.
You all right?
Nope.
I'm going to go around your side. Good job.
He says no flies on me.
Both.